Okay, folks, so welcome. You guys know who it is, Mark Fuller, Team Alliance. Today's Monday, November 18th. Time right now is 1:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That trade completes week number 13. Let me come over to the spreadsheet. Yes, that completes week number 13. I believe. No, that completes. Yeah, week number 13. Yeah, that's correct. So you can see from the spreadsheet, the balance is 910 as far as where I should be based on the previous trade of, or I should say at the non-contract level, which is the trade that I just took. So that puts me with a new balance of 910, as you can see in my live account. So once again, I'm still on track on the spreadsheet. Got the total fill on that trade, non-contracts, updated balance of 910, and we're going to scale up to 11 contracts for the next trade, which will be next week. And I'm going to try my best this week to not take another trade, because last week I actually ended up taking 2 trades, and I'm trying to stop doing that. But you guys get the, you get the idea. You get the idea. By me slowing everything down, things are actually accelerating. By the time we get to this video being played, this will be week number 13 in the bag. I think that tomorrow I'll be releasing the video for trade number 9. Yeah, so that's about right. So it's like I'm 4 videos ahead. And again, that's because of the fact that during a few weeks I actually took more than one trade, but it's all good. I want to get the idea out there as far as what it would look like if you were only taking one trade each week. So I'm able to demonstrate that, because each time that I take a trade, following the spreadsheet and scaling up according to the spreadsheet is what is allowing me to move through the spreadsheet and through the project. And that's the whole idea. That's the whole basis of everything. So, this account started with $100. We started up here with 1 contract. Now we're 13 trades in. On the next trade, I'll be scaling up to 11 contracts. So, what is that? 13 trades. So, yeah, the next trade will be trade number 14. This trade was trade number 13. And on the next trade, I'll be scaling up to 11 contracts. So you can see the consistency and what it ultimately will lead up to as far as positioning us to have the account at a place where the contract size is reflecting ultimately the income that we're going to be at once we stop the scaling up process, so to speak. Although that can be at whatever point that you choose. So Project 21 is based on 21 trades. It's showing you what it looks like if you're just taking 21 trades one after the other and basically scaling up in the account based on the account balance. So the balance determines the contract size for the next trade. So, for example, with the balance being at 910 now, on the next trade, we'll scale up to 11 contracts. And that'll actually be trade number 14. And then that'll move the balance up to this area where you see. So that's how you utilize this spreadsheet. The balance column is showing you what the actual balance is in the live account now. The size is showing what amount of contracts you should be scaling up to for the next trade. And then, of course, the trade number represents the trade number of the current trade that you just took. So I took trade number 13. Balance is now 910. And now I'm going to scale up to 11 contracts for the next trade. And that's how it works when you're looking at the spreadsheet. So you know what specifically you're looking at and what to do next. So in other words, based on the balance of 910, on the next trade, I'll be scaling up to 11 contracts. And the next trade is actually going to reflect trade number 14. And when I get that profit, when I get that winning trade, you'll see the balance go from 910 to 1108, so on and so forth. So we only got another 7 trades left. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, actually 8 trades, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so another 8 trades before we get to trade number 21, week number 21, whatever you want to call it. And, you know, we'll basically be completed with Project 21. And as I said, the beauty of having the skill is that you can set whatever your goal is that you want to achieve. And then once you get there, you're in position now. And it's just a matter of rinsing and repeating the process. So we're doing the same thing every time that we take a trade. There's nothing different that we're doing. So the outcome should be the same. The outcome will be the same. The training ensures that you literally rinse and repeat the process over and over again. So your job is to train. Your job is to create the habits. And the habits will be created at the subconscious level because that's how the training is designed. It's set up and designed to give you what you need through repetition. It's like working out. You know, if you want your muscles to be chiseled and to have more definition, it's the reps that give you the definition. You see? So the look that you're going for only comes through the repetition. So it's the same thing for us. The skill that we're going for comes through the repetition of training. And then we elevate, you know, within our mindset, we elevate as far as the execution of the process, and then the results speak for themselves. Rinse and repeat. Treating every trade like it's the only trade that we're taking. So we're going to execute the process the same way every time. And that's Team Alliance in a nutshell. That's what we do here. So in any case, once again, this is week number 13 in the bag. This is Project 21. My name is Mark Fuller. This is Team Alliance. If you guys are looking to begin training, reach out to me. Text message 914-979-2317. Website TeamAlliance.tv. All over every social media platform: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Snapchat. You literally will find my content everywhere, on every platform that I just named. You can reach out to me through Facebook, send me a friend request. Let me know that you want to get into training. And I will be more than glad to get you set up and get you going. You know, the skill is what allows me to do this. So come get you some. All right. I will see you guys in the next video for next week. Mark Fuller, Team Alliance, Project 21. Trade number 13, week number 13, in the bag. Peace.